So when I posted my pictures from when I was at Panther Branch, I had a Facebook commenter comment that there's a fruit orchard off the Panther Branch Trail. So currently I am at, well, I'm going to try to find it. I'm at Hereford High School, and we're going to walk and see if we can't find this place. So we're off the Gunpowder, or I should say we're off Panther Branch Trail, and we're looking for this abandoned orchard or fruit farm. Not sure quite what it is. The commenter said there's a bunch of abandoned structures and buildings back here, so we're gonna try to find it. Here's like some remnants of something. Might be remnants of fruit trees up there, but I haven't seen any buildings or anything like the poster said. We'll walk around here, see if we can't find anything. So more evidence of structures, but no intact structures. Looks like this might have recently been torn down. So here's this large abandoned barn back here. It says no trespassing. Obviously we're going to respect that, but we can look in. We just can't go in. Some graffiti, lower level. Pretty cool stuff back here. So as I mentioned, this is this large barn back here off the Panther Branch Trail. Here's what this side looks like. And here is the front of this abandoned barn with the fieldstone base and then the cinder blocks. Inside of this barn, like I said, we're not gonna go in. As it said, don't go in, but I can show you the exterior. It looks like there's some adjacent structures on the other side. Pretty cool stuff back here off the Panther Branch Trail. Here's the other side of the barn. Here is some more abandoned stuff. Just piles of rubble. Now here's more abandoned stuff.
What?
And it's riddled with bullet holes. So I'm not exactly sure what all this twisted metal was. Looks like there's some more structures and ruins up there. We'll check out. Not sure what this was. If this is farm equipment or what. It almost looks like railroad signals, like back in the day. If anyone knows what this stuff is, let me know. It's like they just dumped it all back here. Once again, some more metal leading down to the barn. And here's the back end of some of that. I don't know if it's farm equipment or what is this stuff. If anyone knows, leave a comment. Some more remains of something not far from the barn. So pretty cool abandoned stuff up here in Gunpowder. So I don't know how much longer this barn will remain standing. So I'm glad I got to document it before something happened, but way back here off the Panther Branch Trail in Gunpowder Falls State Park.